Hey there, this is video 333, talking about converse and counterexamples. It's going to be a quick video because you know what? We did this in Math 20. Nothing new yet. Lovely little overview. To write the converse of a conditional statement, reverse the hypothesis and the conclusion. Remember the if and then are not part of the hypothesis and the conclusion, so they just stay where they belong. So if it is Monday, then it is a school day. So if it is a school day, then it is Monday. All we're doing is taking this and flip. So it's a flip, just like if you had the cool Converse shoes. Okay, I know some of you call them like Chuck Tanner or Trainer or something like that. My world, they were Converse. If a triangle is a right triangle, then the sum of the squares of the sides. Oh, why did I make such a long one? So my conclusion, which is this part, needs to be at the front. If squares of the side button. Then right. I just flip them. You live in Regina, then you live in the capital of Saskatchewan. Too. Sure, we can use that example. If capital. How about y'all just pause the video and do this? Because it's not very hard. And you live in Regina. Okay. Almost done, right? I hope we paused. Just finish up these last two. Our First Nation. Then you are Dakota. And last one, if a number is divisible by 5 and its final digits of 0. Whoops. If its final digit is 0, number okay, so just flip. That's it. Flip. That's all you need to do. All right. counterexample, an example which disproves a statement. Go through the original ones. Mark them as true or false. If false, provide a counter. Okay. If it is Monday, then it's a school day. No, that's false. Thanksgiving. Or possibly July. Those are Mondays, not school days. If a triangle is a right triangle, okay, I know that's always true. Okay, if you live in Regina, then you live in the capital Saskatchewan, that's true. If you are Lakota, then you're First Nation, yeah, that's true. The number is divisible by 5, then its final digit is a 0. No. What about 35? That's divisible by 5 and it doesn't end in a 0. So those, Thanksgiving and 35 are my counterexamples. Check. All right. Go through the converse statement. So that's the stuff I wrote. Mark them as true or false. If false, provide a counterexample. All right, I'm going to put on this side. Well, this is false. This is false this way. Oopsies. If it's school day, then it's Monday. No, could be Tuesday. All right, so that one was false both ways. The sum of the squares of the sides is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. Then the triangle is a right triangle. Well, that's true. We don't often use Pythagorean's theorem backwards, but it is true. You can use it to make sure you have a right angle. So if I've been told carpenters will measure like 6 feet down this wall, and so this is a corner in a house, 8 feet down that wall, and then they measure across. And if that cross is 10 feet long, then that actually they know for sure that corner is square. Which is kind of cool. If you are First Nation, then you are Lakota. No, that's false. You might be Dene. If its final digit is 0, then a number is divisible by 5. Yes, that's true. Right, because 10, 20, 30, all those, however far you go, it ends on at least a 0. That's going to be divisible. All right. So check. If the original conditional statement is true, then the converse. True, true, true. That one was false. May or may not. True. A little tricky there. And you know what? The same thing is if it's false. So basically, there is no connection between the trace of the original and the trace of the converse. As we go through this, we will actually find that there are some where they match all the time. But it's not there yet.